everyone, myself Deep Shah from Gajera International School. I am your maths educator and today I am going to teach you polynomials chapter from grade 10. Now first of all we will see that what is polynomials. So polynomials is divided into two different points, that is one is poly and other will be nomials. What do you mean by poly? Poly means many, and what do you mean by nomials? Nomial means terms, means the expression which is having so many terms, that is called as polynomials. Now these polynomials are divided into so many parts. Let us see the classification of it. First will be, we will see on the basis of degree of polynomial. So first will be linear polynomial, then it will be quadratic, and the third one will be cubic polynomial. Now what is linear polynomial? Whatever we can write it in this form, say for example the power will be maximum as 1, that is said to be as linear polynomial. The number which is having maximum power as 2, that is called as quadratic polynomial, and the number or expression which is having maximum power as 3, that is called as cubic polynomial. Same way in other terms, if we will see that classification of polynomials on the basis of terms, then it will be like first will be monomial, second will be binomial, and third will be trinomial. Now what do you mean by monomials? The terms or expression which is having only single term, say for example only x I can write, only y I can write, or only z I can write, that is said to be as monomial. Same way what is binomial? The term or expression which are having two terms in it, say for example like this x plus y, z plus a, or many other will be there. Now the third one will be trinomials, the expression which will be having three terms in it, like this. In place of plus we can use subtraction as well, 20a square plus 3a plus b, like this. Any other examples will also be there, so that will be on the basis of terms and degree. Now let us see one example based on this polynomial. We will find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Here one expression is given, that is x square plus 7x plus 10. So first of all we will find this the value of x. So how can we find it? First what we will do is we will compare it with 0. So x square plus 7x plus 10 equals to 0 we can write. Now as we know the factorization method, splitting the middle term, we can split this, that will be 5 2s are, so we can write 5 minus 2 or 5 plus 2, that is 7x. So x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 equals to 0. By using this you can see that we have got the number as 7x. Now taking common from this first two terms and common from these last two terms, so first will be x, then inside the bracket x plus 5, other one will be 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Now writing this first term, that is x plus 5, and another will be x plus 2 equals to 0. Comparing it with 0, so it will be x equals to minus 5 or x equals to minus 2 is the answer. Now one more thing is there in this question, then we need to verify the relationship between the zeros of this coefficient. So how can we do it? So first will be sum of the zeros. Now what is sum of the zeros? Say for example if we are considering two zeros as alpha and beta, so it will be alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus b by a. Now let us first see that what is the standard form of it. Standard form of any quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If we will compare it with our equation, that it will be a equals to 1, b equals to 7, and c equals to 10. If we will substitute the value in this, then it will be minus 7 upon 1, which is equals to minus 7. Same way if we will find it by using product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, formula will be c by a. Now what is c? That is 10, and what is a? That is 1. If we will solve it, the answer will be 10. Now how to verify this? So for verification, we will see this two. First we will do summation of this, sum of zeros, which is equals to minus 5 and minus 2, which is minus 7. You can see these two are same, so one is verified. Another number, that is product of zeros, which is equals to multiplication of this two, that is minus 5 into minus 2, which is equals to minus 10. As you can see these two are also equal. Here plus 10 will come, minus minus will be plus, so hence it is verified. Now let us consider one more example on polynomials. Now here we need to find an expression for quadratic polynomial where two of the questions are given. First will be 1 upon 4 and minus 1, and other will be 4 and 1. So now what is the standard form of this expression? We can write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This will be the standard form of this quadratic polynomial. Now here two things are given. Let us first say sum of the zeros is given, that is alpha plus beta, which is equals to 1 upon 4. Also product of the zeros is also given, that is alpha into beta, which is equals to minus 1. Now what is the standard form, or what is the shortcut way for finding this quadratic polynomial? We can write quadratic polynomial as ax square minus alpha plus beta inside the bracket x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Just simply we need to substitute this value alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this equation. So it will be ax square, that we can write it as x square, minus what is alpha plus beta, that is 1 upon 4x, plus what is alpha beta, that is minus 1, equals to 0, which implies x square minus 1 upon 4x plus or minus minus 1 equals to 0. This also we can say one of the answer, or still if you want to simplify it, we can do LCM of this one. So it will be cross multiply with this. So 4x square minus x minus 4 equals to 0 divided by 4. This 4 will go on other side, it will multiply with 0. So it will be 4x square minus x minus 4 equals to 0. This is the required equation that we want. Same way another example we will solve based on this. Again sum will be alpha plus beta equals to 4 given, product alpha into beta, that is given as 1. Again the shortcut formula we can write it for quadratic polynomial, ax square minus alpha plus beta inside the bracket x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Now in this form also x square minus what is alpha plus beta, that is 4. So in place of it I can write 4 here plus 1 equals to 0. So this is the required equation. Hope you have understood well this. Now let us see one more example and last topic of this chapter, that is polynomial. Here we will see division algorithm. So first of all, little bit hint of division algorithm I will give you. So division algorithm is what? We can use it like this in division algorithm, where this will be g of x, this will be p of x, this will be q of x, and this will be at the end r of x. Now what do you mean by this q of x and r of x? Q of x stands for quotient and r of x stands for remainder. Now what about this p of x and g of x? Means the two terms which are given already in the question, and that too we will do division by it and we will get the quotient and remainder at the end. That is said to be as a division algorithm. Now let us solve this question. Here it is given that find all the zeros of this equation which divides by x square minus 2. So here we need to find the remaining zeros of this. So first of all we can write it, or we can say let p of x equals to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Same way g of x is also given, g of x equals to x square minus 2. Now let us solve it by using division algorithm. So what I can do is I will write like this: 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by g of x, the value of it, that will be x square minus 2. Now how we will do division of this? So first step will be, we need to make this and this two are equal by using any multiplication. So how can we do it? You can see here 2 will be there, so here we can multiply it with 2. Same way now x square is there and here x4 is there, so 2 power is remaining, so here I can write 2x square. Now this 2x square I will multiply with this both the terms, so it will be 2x raised to 4 minus 2 2s are 4 x square. Now we will do changing of this sign, so this 2 will be cancelled, plus and minus, so this will be cancelled. Now you can see as the expression here power 3 will be there and here power 2 will be there, so this will be derived with this. So minus 3x square plus 4x square, that will be x square, and this will remain as it is, so it will be minus 3x cube. Understood? Same way, now what we will do, we will take this down, so it will be 6x. Now again we need to make the first term equal with this both. So here x square will be there and here x cube. So what is the need? X is the needed thing. Also sign is needed, so minus sign will be there and 3. So it will be 3x. Now this minus 3x I will multiply with this both the terms. So it will be minus 3x cube and minus minus plus, that will be plus 6x. Now we will change the sign. So this 2 will be cancelled, x square will remain as it is, this 2 will also get cancelled and this we will carry forward over here, so it will be x square minus 2. Now as you can see, this both g of x and right now whatever here expression we are having, both are same. So we can do multiply it with 1, we will multiply this whole term again here, so it will be x square minus 2. We will change the sign, so that will be whole cancelled, so it will be 0. So now what we have get as our q of x, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1, and what will be our r of x, that is 0. So our question ends here. Thank you.